instruction manual. Usually I'm a big using physical manual kind of guy, but why not? Why not mess around and try something a little different? Yes, I know I don't need to hold my hand off the screen. That's gonna take some like mental like conditioning to get over and stop doing. I have to train myself not to do that. Imagine reading the instructions. Yeah, it couldn't be me, Vix. I'm not only am I a male, but I'm also from my family, and famously in my family we do not read instructions. I wonder if larger batteries are more stable at higher charges. Maybe that's the case. All right, so I'm gonna put that there, and I do really want a case for it. I'm gonna have to just pick one and place an order maybe after the stream. But this is actually a tablet stand. That's what this is made for. So this is somehow, it seems appropriate to use it for that. So I'll put that there. And just for today, we'll open up Safari and Lego Bookshop Manual. And there it is. Cool. Yeah, plug and play generation. Let's go. Yep, continue. Accept. And this one. It's downloading the PDF. Hopefully I can read that natively built in. This is a good use case for it. It's wait, how do I that's like not doing a zoom. It's, oh, there we go. No, what all right, sure, maybe I should do a portrait. I couldn't remember which way is which. Pencil goes on the right. Okay, there we go. Yeah, cool. All right, this is how we're gonna build today. We'll see how long this lasts. See if I hate it or not. But hey, now you guys can't tell me that I'm not playing with it while I'm I'll go to files in the top right. Wait, what? Don't worry about it, it's fine. I mean, it's got 75%. I don't think it'll die halfway through. I don't really need to zoom it anyway. Like, it's about the same size as the actual thing. So I'll there we go. Now you guys can enjoy the new iPad as well. Yeah, dual purpose stream. We're finishing the Lego and using the iPad. Now I'm not sure that we're going to finish the Lego because we're 2 hours in. But at least we're using the iPad. At least there's that. Download the manual from the Safari page, then go to the Files tab. The thing is, okay, what are you telling me to do? Just be easy to work with if it wasn't open on the page.
Look
okay.
at that. You're playing with your iPad while you're playing with your Lego.
What could be better?
What could be better?
What could be better? I mean, it said that I'd already downloaded it, right? Alright, download links file. There we go, okay. This is what Dork Noodle is trying to do. It's downloading. It is downloaded. It is loaded. And now it is functionally the same, but it's fine. There we go. Perfect. What more could you want? What more could you want? Is better now, sure. Alright, I'm going to detach that and we'll make some space for this boy back here. We've got all of our minifigures hiding in there. And we're up to bag 6. So I think it's time for some new bag hype. I should have done some new iPad hype, huh? Oh well, that's fine. Thank you for another 100 bits, by the way, Barnstar. You are doing a lot today. My goodness me. Push this over here. I'll put it up there for now while we get the bags knolled and sorted and opened and everything. Oh my goodness, I'm all over the shop, knocking stuff off and breaking things. It's just kind of adjusting out a lot. I don't know. I'll just leave it there. We did provide some hype. This is true. Alright, I'm going to put my microphone back where it was as well. It's a little bit easier for me to feel like I'm talking into it. Hopefully it sounds okay. Cool. Alright, well, it is time for some new bag hype. Thank you for joining me for opening the iPad. It's pretty cool that we get to use it like this now. So, and then after the stream, I'll spend some time tooling around with it and installing Procreate and stuff. I'm looking forward to that. But for now, it is time for some new bag hype. So please enjoy the emote-only chat and go nuts. I'll pass it over to you, Corn.
Hey, do you want to feel so hype? Try
bag number 6.
Bag opening for people who need gratuitous amounts of Lego. With all new bags like bag 6, new bag energy.
It's actually bag
Lego
6.
To a bowl.
It's actually bag 6, Corn.
You're gonna be uncomfortably high. What's that? You want bag 7? Well, how about bag 8? Made with Lego.
This is bag 6.
Building. Run a bowl. You'd be good at it. It's a Lego set, a square. Some quadrilateral dude. These ain't your square puns. These are terrible puns. Corn puns. Hype, Lego, old Lego, new Lego, more Lego than your abode has room for. You'll build so fast, Darcy will be like, slow down. You'll be like, no, honey, and brother Daily with a raise. Darcy deserves a raise. You'll have so much hype, like plastic bag. Just building all the time. Power building, power stacking, power testing, power separating, power fixing, power interlocking, power streaming Lego sets. You'll have so many Lego sets. 400
Lego sets.
Give an element of freedom to your cat and they'll be good at trolling. Make your chat troll abnormally fast. They'll troll as well as corn curls. People watch them trolling and think they're corn curls. They'll troll fast with corn curls and troll off against actual corn curls and it'll be a tie and they'll get banned. Hey, go with the sure thing. Don't gamble on your highly sophisticated interlocking brick system. Legos! Try new bag hype. The hype that'll make you run a ball. Legos! Like plastic bag.
Well done, everybody. Well done. Thank you for the new bag hype. I forgot a thing. Wait, what did I forget, Corn? Oh, right. I forgot to do this. There we go. Darcy has been paid. Or at least she's getting paid. Or at least something. I don't know. It's fine. You're welcome. We got the raise for Darcy. We also need to get a knolling cam going. So, gosh, I'm gonna have to move the microphone again after all. Oh my goodness, what is happening? How do I even do this usually? It's been too long since my last Lego stream. It'll have to do. It'll have to do. Wah. Oh god, I don't even know where to put things. I don't know how this all usually works. I don't know what's going on. I'll pick it back up again. It's fine. We'll work this out. Give him a good punch, Dork Noodle. I introduced, made possible, then gave an excuse for Darcy to get frequent late raises. It's true. It is all thanks to you. You are responsible for my bottom line. Oh, that's gonna be a problem. Books don't do that. Maybe we'll just use it for this okay, sorry, I realize you guys can't see. It turned itself off, or rather the screen went dim. And that's gonna be a problem. Books don't do that. And it also doesn't cost electricity to look at a book. So, yeah, it's that might be a problem. We might just use it for this one bag. I can set the iPad to not do that, but then I'm gonna forget to set it back. Yeah, it won't be good for the battery life. Well, I'll turn it off for now. because or lock it for now at least, because while we're nulling, we don't need the instructions, and then once we're done nulling, I'll turn it back on, and then I'll be touching it frequently enough that it probably won't turn off. So